I am going to recreate the French fries from the scene in The Devil Wears Prada 2, where Emily and Andy met up at a very luxurious Upper East Side restaurant. Why? Because those fries has a lot of significance with the world of Broadway. So, let's make some zero-calorie potato wedges because everyone knows shared carbs have 0 calories. So for this recipe, you're gonna need ice water, salt, pepper, cornstarch, olive oil, and then I'm gonna put my own little twist on it, and I'm gonna do rosemary and garlic as well. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our knife, and we're going to cut the potato in half lengthwise. I'm using a golden potato, and I'm gonna cut them in half again, lengthwise, to get them in fourths. Then I am going to cut them again in half. Just to get a nice rough chop. Potato wedges are so good, and I've been craving these ever since I saw The Devil Wears Prada 2. Have you watched the movie yet? Okay, so I got ahead of myself. But the first thing you want to do is take however many potatoes you want, and you're gonna cut them lengthwise like I just did. And once you get them cut, then you're gonna place them in a bowl of ice water, which I have here. And the point of the ice water is to help the starch remove from the potatoes, which will help get them a lot more crispy. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, and now we're going to drain these and get them really dry. I think those are properly dry. I'm going to do these in the air fryer just to speed up the process, but you can also bake these in the oven at 450 for 20 to 30 minutes. But I want to kind of speed this along. So I'm going to take another bowl, and I'm just going to place my wedges right into the bowl. Like this. Just give them one last pat to dry. And now I'm going to season my fries. We'll start with a pinch of salt, pepper. I am not measuring. I am literally just eyeballing it. I let the ancestors tell me when it's enough. Use a little cornstarch. This helps it get more crispy. My rosemary. And garlic. Kind of break it off and throw it in. I'm just going to give this a quick little toss. And now I'm going to throw them in my air fryer. Right on in, like that. I want to make sure they're not on top of each other because they won't get crispy that way. And I'm going to throw this piece of garlic that I smashed up right in there for a little bit more flavor, a little more oil, a little shake, and then throw it in the air fryer for about 20 minutes. And while that goes, I'm going to clean up my mess. And while I clean, we can chat. So when I watched The Devil Wears Prada 2, I was nervous because I was curious at how they were going to take this story 20 years later and grow it, and I think they did such a magnificent job. I'm not going to put any spoilers out there, but I will say this: if you have not seen this film yet, you better get to the theaters and go see this film. It's a must-see. Okay, so while we wait for our fries to cook, I'm going to go ahead and make a garlic aioli sauce. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some garlic, minced garlic, about half a teaspoon. Then next I'm going to do some Dijon mustard. Probably about a tablespoon. And then next I'm going to do about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. And we're going to give that a quick whisk. And some lemon juice, which I don't have any freshly squeezed, so I'm using from the jar here. Okay, so our fries are just about complete, so I'm going to pull them out of the air fryer now. Give them a little toss. Looking very crispy. Now I'm going to transfer them over to this baking sheet to let them rest. Guess I should have thought that through. As you can see, these are very crispy. And now I'm going to transfer them into my little bowl. With a little aioli on the side. And there you have 0-calorie fries. Now, before you start trolling me in the comments, I do understand that these do have calories. The reason why I'm calling them 0-calorie fries is because I'm sharing them with you. And everyone knows that shared carbs have no calories. So let's have a fry together. This will look pretty good. That aioli I made. Cheers. They're really crunchy. The reason why I use the air fryer is because it's less oily. So I feel less guilty about eating them as opposed to if I would have fried them in oil or put them in the oven. It would have been more excess oil running off. I feel like the air fryer gets that level of crispness, I can't say that word. I feel like the air fryer gives me that level of crispness that I enjoy. And I feel less guilty about it. So I think it's a win-win for me. One thing I did forget to do, I'm gonna pull them out, was salt them. So I'm gonna do that now, just to pull out more of that flavor. But yeah, outside of that, nice, crispy, salty fry. When you think about it, it's the perfect food because it really describes runway. Crispy, yet salty. Did you watch The Devil Wears Prada? Let me know in the comments what you thought. Thank you for sharing these fries with me, and thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you.